A debt collector is a company or a firm that is hired by the original creditor to collect on account that is severely past due. So for example, let's say that you have a Capital One account and you are 2 or 3 months behind, and the debt collector has tried to contact you through their automated system or through their customer service team, but they're not reaching you. So what do? Do they continue to call you and use their resources, or do they hire a firm or company that is fully commission-based to contact you on their behalf? That's exactly what they do. They contract a debt collector, and the debt collector basically gets your information and collects on the behalf of the original creditor. So let's say that you are 2 payments behind, and for example, you owe $25 on the account for each month, so that's $50. The debt collector contacts you. Hey, Sarah, this is ABC Collection Firm. We're calling on behalf of Capital One. Basically, we're calling because you have yet to make payments on your account, and we want to help you set up a payment arrangement, basically, okay? That's what they do. They call you and collect on behalf of the company. And a lot of times, depending on how pressed they are, they may harass you. They may contact your loved ones. They may say that they're going to send the sheriff to your house, or they may say that they're going to sue you, or you're going to be garnished, all that crazy stuff. The reason they push you so much is they're pressed for that commission. If they don't contact you to make some kind of payment arrangement, they don't get paid. So one of the things that they do is they will break the law and try to get you to make a payment arrangement. And it's very important for you to understand that these companies are looking to make a commission.